Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add stickers on Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Capcut application, and after that we just need to decide which video that we want to add the stickers to. You can start a new project if you have no video or project yet, but today I would like to use my project here. So here actually sometimes I use these stickers to cover like several parts that I really don't like on this video. For example, I don't like this video, this part of this video, it's quite disturbing, so I want to like cover this with a stickers. So how to do that? You just need to go focus on this button feature. You just need to like scrolling this into the left side until you found a stickers tools. You just need to click the stickers tools, and after that you just need to find which stickers that you want to add into your clip. Just need to scrolling down and find the best stickers. And if you can see here, there will also a lot of type of the stickers such as a rose, so you can also like pointing this the specific part on your clip to make people focus on the part that you already gave the stickers to. Okay, let's do it this, and after we find it, you just need to click done. You know, it's time for adjusting the position. You just need to like go click the stickers, and after that drag into the specific part that you want to put these stickers to. And after you're done with everything, that's all the way, that's done. Don't forget to like adjusting the lengths too. Make sure that this also appear in a whole clip that on your project. Let's have a try. Okay, so that's all the way how to add stickers on your project on a Capcut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.